Ever found yourself juggling different digital wallets and wondering if you could just consolidate things a bit? Maybe you've got some funds sitting in your Beam wallet and you're thinking, hey, can I move this over to my Binance account? It's a fair question. In today's digital age, managing our finances across various platforms is becoming increasingly common, and the ability to seamlessly transfer funds can save us a lot of time and hassle. So, let's dive straight into it. Can you directly transfer money from Beam Wallet to Binance? As of my last update, the answer is a bit nuanced. Direct, traditional transfers between Beam Wallet and Binance, like a simple bank transfer, are generally not supported. These platforms operate on different underlying technologies and financial systems. Beam Wallet, often associated with specific mobile money services in certain regions, typically deals with local currencies within its ecosystem. Binance, on the other hand, is a global cryptocurrency exchange focused on digital assets. Think of it like trying to directly send a text message from an old landline phone to a brand new smartphone using only the landline's interface. The technologies just aren't directly compatible for that kind of transfer. However, this doesn't necessarily mean your funds are stuck in Beam Wallet forever if your ultimate goal is to have them on Binance. There are potential workarounds and alternative methods you might explore. One possible approach involves using an intermediary. For instance, if Beam Wallet allows you to withdraw funds to a traditional bank account, you could then deposit those funds from your bank account into your Binance account. This is a more indirect route, and it would involve transaction fees and processing times associated with both Beam Wallet withdrawals and Binance deposits. Keep in mind that Binance typically supports deposits via bank transfer in certain fiat currencies, so you'd need to ensure your local currency is supported. Another avenue to consider, although potentially more complex and carrying its own risks, could involve exploring peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms or third-party exchange services. Some users might utilize these platforms to exchange their Beam Wallet balances for a cryptocurrency that is then transferable to Binance. However, it's crucial to exercise extreme caution when using such methods, as they often involve dealing with individuals or less regulated platforms, increasing the risk of scams or unfavorable exchange rates. Always do thorough research and understand the risks involved before using any third-party service. Furthermore, the landscape of digital finance is constantly evolving. It's worth checking the official support pages or FAQs of both Beam Wallet and Binance for any recent updates or newly introduced features that might facilitate some form of connection or transfer. Financial technology companies are always looking for ways to improve user experience and bridge gaps between different platforms. In conclusion, while a direct, straightforward transfer from Beam Wallet to Binance isn't typically an option, you might be able to achieve your goal through indirect methods like bank transfers or, with careful consideration and understanding of the risks, through peer-to-peer or third-party services. Always prioritize security and stick to official channels whenever possible. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.